Hi guys, today we've got an unboxing video for you. I know what one this is because I was only waiting for a couple of bits and the other bits come last week. So this is the, well, I believe this is the fishing magnet that I ordered. So let's have a look. So I think I paid something like £12 for this. I can't remember. I will check it out and I'll put it in the comments below. So we have the eye bolt. It's very well packaged, but then I suppose it probably needs to be. And the fishing magnet. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger than this, but it's not that bad really. I don't think it's going to be as strong as they said it was going to be. Measures approximately 2 inches across from centre to centre. I don't know if you can see that one. So about 1 3/4 inches, 45mm, something like that. It's not impressive. I really did think it was going to be a bit bigger than that. So what we would do is screw that down into there, and then a bit of rope, and throw it in the water. Before I do that, what I am going to do is I'm going to put a bit of thread lock or lock and seal on the eye bolt there, just to keep that in, because as you're pulling you may undo it. So if you can imagine you're pulling that rope, so if you're pulling that rope that way and it's putting the tension on there, you could undo it and eventually it's going to come out. There's a little bit of thread lock on the thread of the eye bolt, and should be good to go. You can test it on something metal. It has got quite a strong pull, so let's see. But as for 150 kilograms on each side, I'm not convinced, but time will tell. So look out for the magnet fishing videos, and as soon as I get some time off work, I will get out there and try this out. That's it for today, and as always, if you like what you see, like, subscribe, comment, click the notification bell. We're getting quite a few views now, so it'd be nice to see some comments as well. But thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.